What's up, loves? It's your girl, Bii Neek, and I'm back with another tutorial. Most definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned and keep watching. So yeah, basically, I'm just gonna jump right into this, y'all. I'm just taking my brow glue NYX by NYX, and I'm just gonna take this and just put this on my brows. Make sure everything is in place. Then we don't want these brows moving. And then I'm just gonna go in my spoolie and just brush these brows back, make sure everything is in place. And y'all, I did want to do a little talk today because I really don't do too much talking on my channel, so I did want to do a little talking. Basically, the subject that I want to touch on is about makeup, and people feel as if you have to wear makeup every day. No, that's not the case. I choose to wear makeup because this is my passion. This is something that I love to do, but never get it twisted and think that I have to wear makeup. No, I choose to wear it because, like I said, it's something that I love to do. I basically do my makeup because I express how I feel, but at the same time, it can get tiring and overwhelming at the same time because I don't want to have to get up, try to rush and get ready for work every day, and then gotta do my makeup, worrying about, you know what I'm saying, what I'm gonna do. Oh no, I really need a break from makeup. So basically what I'm gonna be doing now is just basically uploading YouTube videos on the weekend, whatnot, when I do my makeup, because that's basically only when I'm gonna be doing my makeup. But when it's time for me to go to work, I'm only gonna be doing my brows now because it's very overwhelming trying to do your makeup every day. And like, no, it's tiring. It's basically draining me at the same time. And I'm not gonna lie, I was at a point to where I felt like I needed to wear makeup, you know what I'm saying? But deep down inside, I know that I'm beautiful. With or without makeup, I'm beautiful as fuck, period. So I just feel like us queens, as we just need to start being more natural, just living us for us and taking it and embracing that all beauty inside without having to feel like we need to wear makeup, because with or without it, baby, we're beautiful without it. That's all. And you know what I'm saying? People gonna think what they want to think about you. They gonna feel, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it's up to you to have self-confidence in yourself and always love yourself. Never let anyone tell you that you're not this, you're not that. It don't, fuck that. It don't matter what nobody think about you. At the end of the day, baby, you and love you for you. That's all you need to know. Period. But anyway, we just gonna jump right back into this tutorial, y'all. And I'm just basically just going in with this LA Colors liner pencil, and I'm just gonna take this spool and just brush that out, y'all. Y'all will see me going back in, repeating this step twice, because I want to make sure that I got this product real, like, good, like into the skin and whatnot. I just want to make sure that everything is just blended well. So y'all will see me doing that. And yeah, keep watching. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. Taking this pure beige pro concealer, y'all, and I'm just gonna go in and just take this and clean my brows up. And basically what I like to do is make sure my brows are just clean. Like, I don't like, I hate to see brows that's like one up, one down. Some people have, like, the concealer don't be blending into their skin well, and then it's not matching your skin tone because you're using the wrong concealer, baby. So please, like, if you don't know your skin tone or skin, like, if you go into the beauty, like, Macy's or whatnot, you going to the mall, please get someone that match your skin tone, because you don't want to be looking foolish. Like, don't do that to yourself, baby. Stop it. So most definitely make sure you know your skin tone. You're using the right concealer for your skin, so everything will blend well. Once you apply that concealer and blend everything out, and then go on top of that and do your eyeshadow. That way, once you do your eyeshadow, your concealer will pop up under your brows. That way, everything will blend just well and good, because you don't want to have your eyeshadow is looking good, then your concealer just is not giving it that pop, baby. We want our concealer to stand the fuck out, period. So your brows means the most. Your brows is the most important thing of a makeup look. Most people don't understand it, but your brows most definitely has to be on point, because baby, that's the first thing people see, period. So yeah, get into this look. I find that setting my brows, y'all, like, helps me so much better now. Like, I usually get oily throughout the day and all that, but now that I set my brows and with like a setting powder, y'all, my brows does not move at all. Like, say for instance, you go to put your hoodie on and you slide the hoodie on and it touch your brows, baby, you ain't got to worry about no product on your hoodie, none of that, because them brows is not gonna move, baby. And that's on period. And I know y'all tired of me saying period, but get what? Period. Period. But yeah, y'all. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my eyes, because I want my concealer in place as well. And this is more like a natural look every day, just something to get up. Say we finna get ready to go to work, something quick. You ain't gotta do all that extra, you know what I'm saying? Just something real quick. Slay that. And I'm gonna go in and take my matte setting spray, y'all. Just go ahead and spray my face, and we finna get ready to get into this revealing look. Be sure to stay tuned and keep watching and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And I love you all so much. Thanks for watching and supporting me and my friends and all of you all. I love you all so much. This is the finishing look for this updated brow tutorial. I hope you all learned something, took this in, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.